This is Creative Edges Scallops die from Altenew. This is a 6-inch by 0.2-inch die set with 2 individual dies. We have added another Creative Edges die set to our collection, and this one features what we are calling Scalloped scallops. Each larger scallop is made up of 5 smaller rounded scallops. We have also included an optional set of small holes to mimic the look of lace trim. You can leave it as it is, or even weave floss or ribbon through the holes. Use it to add texture to your handmade cards, scrapbook layouts, or journal pages. This is Dotted Lines Debossing Cover Die Set from Altenew. This is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 die set with 1 individual die. Add subtle texture to your next project with this unique cover die. This die has been designed to cover the front of an A2 sized card. Instead of cutting through the cardstock, a dotted line pattern is debossed into the surface. You will be able to create gorgeous textured handmade cards to send to your loved ones. This is Floral Doodles Die Set from Altenew. This die set contains 12 dies. These whimsical blooms are just what you need to brighten up your next project. This set features 6 hand-drawn flowers, leaves and a stem, and each one has a coordinating base layer. This gives you many possibilities for paper layering, so you can customize the look you want. Have fun creating your own doodled garden. This is Just Leaves die set from Altenew containing 7 leaf dies. Add gorgeous leafy designs to your paper crafting projects with these lovely dies. This die set features 7 branches of leaves of various types and shapes. This set is great for adding a silhouette of foliage on your projects. It will also come in handy for creating flower arrangements on your handmade cards, scrapbook layouts and journal pages.
Introducing Linear Crossroads Die from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die containing 1 individual image. Add texture and interest to your next handmade project using this detailed die. The set contains a simple clean and simple die featuring crisscross lines at right angles. This is a great piece to add to cards, journals, scrapbook pages or even home decor. Introducing Layered Woodflower Die Set from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die set containing 13 individual dies. Create gorgeous floral projects using these beautiful layered dies. This die set features a large flower and 3 individual leaves. Designed with simplicity and elegance in mind, these floral elements comprise of minimal layers that are very easy to put together. You will love die cutting these stunning blooms and adding them to all of your handmade projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor. Introducing Swirl Motif Die Set from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die set containing 2 individual dies. Create beautiful projects using these unique layering dies. This set features an elegant swirl motif and is comprised of 2 layers. The double layer takes this piece of paper art to a whole new level of elegance and beauty. It will be great to use as a border, a background, or even a focal point on all of your handmade projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor. Introducing Twigtastic Die from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die containing 1 individual image. Add texture and interest to your next handmade project using this detailed die. When you pile many twigs and branches interlaced with each other, you get a Twigtastic die. This die is the perfect die cut to complement your floral arrangements. This is a great piece to add to your cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor. Introducing Woven Heart Die Set from Altenew. This is a high quality steel die set containing 2 individual dies. This unique and clever die celebrates the art of paper weaving in a modern way. Cut the main die twice, arrange cut-out pieces perpendicular to each other, and simply weave the strips together. The resulting heart will be the perfect focal point on your next handmade project. For a more ornate look, use the decorative die to cut a stunning design into your weaved heart. Introducing double-sided adhesive sheets from Altenew. Our double-sided adhesive sheets will be the next must-have item in your craft room. The adhesive is perfect for die cutting delicate details and results in a permanent bond. You can now enjoy adding lots of detailed die cuts to all of your handmade projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor. In the pack you will receive 10 sheets, and each of these is approximately 8 1/4 by 11 3/4 inches. The permanent adhesive is acid-free, so it's great for all of your scrapbooking needs. Introducing masking paper from Altenew. Our masking paper is just the thing for creating your own stamp and die masks. Simply stamp your favourite image and fussy cut around it with a pair of scissors. Peel off the backing and apply the mask over your stamped images on your project. Blend ink or stamp other elements over the masked image, and when you peel it off you will have a perfectly crisp and professional result. Alternatively, you can cut out the masking paper with your favourite dies for a unique masked effect. The pack contains 10 individual sheets, each measuring 8 1/4 by 11 3/4 inches. For more information and fresh inspiration using our masking paper and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Thanks for watching!